island-wide Jamaica, where I say, yeah. Why we granny food? I'm blessed to have this lady as an aunt. Like, guys, I just time I can't cook it up. I should have given her a chance.
Yeah, because I have to eat.
No, that's stylings. Meet my cat. Hi. Jamila. Check out Jamila Jones' channel, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna post it. But I don't really vlog me. I just gonna show them some things I'm at. But yeah.
Eat full of fruit.
Eat what to eat. What I say? Grow what to eat. Grow what to eat and eat what to grow. Eat what to eat
and eat what you grow.
Yes, so this is.
So them show them the fruit from the tree. See fruit there.
The fruit of.
And see me, I show them a jimbling.
Yeah, what is?
See them a jimbling. Make a pick one because it's ripe. Oh Lord, them ripe.
And she have the what is again? Mint. Then.
Yeah, them from a little old lady.
Lime. What is through them? What is? Papa.
Girl.
What is this?
Papa.
Okay, me have sense.
And that is spinach.
This is I would have told them I know.
What got done?
Yeah.
Where you are go? At 4 o'clock? Oh
I
yes,
remember,
at 4
guys.
o'clock. God. Yeah, come for food. You're bright and out and
She's talking to a cat. So let's begin this video now.
So, you're gonna have a.
I bought this for you.
Oh, what am I gonna do with that?
Push it in here. A joke. Look at it. It's a clothing rack, so you can hang it up on the wall. Hang it up so.
Oh wait, no.
All your clothes or anything you want to put on it, hot, anything.
Oh.
Yeah. Alright, so before I start, I'm going to set up the first item, and that is a light bulb. It's a fan blade LED bulb. Yeah. So here it is. This is the first on the list. I got it for 1,100, and it comes with this for $200 more, so 1,300 Jamaican dollars. So why I bought this is because I was like, each time I have a ring light, it mash up. Why not use a bulb, a bright bulb? You can plug in the socket, yeah. So my ring light mash up 3 of them. I have the ring lights, they're working, they're fine, but the stands for them are not working because like all of them pop off. But let me show y'all. So I'm gonna use my extension cord and plug it in right now. Oh, hold on, one thing wrong. Right now we're frightened me. My extension have little short still in, guys. That's sad. But I want to use it for the lighting for this video. Okay. What is what take bye? Alright, so guys, tell me say ring light me. Tell me some video now right hand. Hey, put this right here, so. Yeah! Go with the food. Go with the food. Hey! Yeah, guys, look how cute. Maybe never know so cute because the place so dark. I feel good. Let's move on to the next item. Hear the dog are back in the background, guys. Sorry about the noise. This is the next item. Y'all see when I just started the video. This already. I gave my aunt one and I took one. So it's a clothing rack. You can hang like hats or anything. It has 2 hooks that you'd use to hook on the wall. Yes. So you hook it on the wall and then you see. Okay. So that's about 2. So one is mine. Yeah. Then I have this dustbin. I have a dustbin already that I put like my regular food items like garbage and everything, but I don't have one for like my papers, you know. Sometimes I throw away. This dog Sometimes you throw away. Let me try and talk over the dog. Sometimes you throw away your things, and like maybe you want to look if you throw away some important paper or anything, but you don't want to go in the next garbage bin because you know food items and all those stuff are in it. So I got this one for that. This is about, well, oh, I didn't tell you the price, but these are $200. $250 actually, but when you buy 3 you get it for $200 Jamaican. And the dustbin is for $650 Jamaican. This pouch now, $150 for one. I had one already, but I bought this one. I can put my makeup things in it. I have a pouch for makeup, but it's, you know, when you have makeup items, it tends to mess up the pouch, so you need another one, or you need to just wash it out. But the one that I have is very long old. I had it from like years upon years. So this can keep a lot of things. You can put something in that, here and here. So I have one, as I said before, which I use for pencils. I put in my pencils and so forth. So, yeah. Then I got this passport case for $100 Jamaica. Think, which I wanted from a long time. Every time I see someone with one, I'm like, where they bought it? But I saw it in the Aberdash and I was like, girl, even the other day, I said I need one. So perfect. So my passport is now protected. Then what I have here now is rotted. It's like me never know why it be. I'm gonna get this Cochni Total. I've never seen this. I thought it was Colgate. Them fool me with the Coach. See. Oh, this is so small. Okay. The box is so big. What is? Yeah, you have to whiten your teeth sometimes. I don't remember how much I paid for that toothpaste. But I have this now. Yo, it's like the things I'm gonna buy. Recently I've been thinking that I need them. So this, because I normally put my sewing things inside of this pouch. I'm like, in a pouch it doesn't seem, you know, sensible. Yeah, I'm gonna buy this the other day too. Yeah, so why am I buy this then? You know, I'm pan full me. Yeah. But I use this, so let me tell you what's inside. And it's so amazing because this is like about $200. I get a measuring tape, I get whatever this is. Okay. Oh, I think I the need where you put around it. Whatever. Then you have this clipping thing, and you get some pins. You get this. I think you put this to protect your finger. You put it around your. No, don't. The buttons, some buttons. You get a nail clip, buttons, whatever this thing is. Maybe someone who can sew might know about it. So you can lock this on and open the other. Sorry, open this. Oh, no. Let me open the other section. Lift it or something. Oh, you lift it. Oh. Then you got your threads and needle. But I already did have needle and thread and clip and something. But I just got fooled by seeing the pan. So we have needles. Yeah. So if I don't want my sew to close them, I can always come over. Let me dabble. Okay. And it's like a traveling thing. You can take it with you. if you know your panties tear out and can't bring it. And so when the panty on the roll, now it's time to get to the clothes, which let me drop everything. Thank you Jamaica Post for delivering my package on time. Jamaica Post guys, and the guys will zip me in for delivering the package in a one day. One single day, yeah, island wide, Jamaica, where I say, yeah, represent for Jamaica Post. These items don't cost $5,000, it don't even cost $3,000, guys. And everything on there show don't cost $5,000. Well, if I don't include the lamp, because the lamp I want something. So it's about between the range of 5,100 to 5,900 about that. So good to help one package, you know. Yeah, this is the first thing. What's that? No sir. Why it's so big? This is a jacket. Big door, but I can't style it up. You know, this is thrifting. This is what you call thrifting. Buying clothes, cheap clothes, and styling it. You ever hear about that? That Dekiboo do. So when I see me cute and sexy and everything, this can style, you know. It can go like this. Go on the bed for us, you know, better. Cause that's what time something here now work out. It's big still, but it will do. Style it so with a nice black pants, black blouse, or even one dress or something. Yeah, I like it. I dig it. When I talk about, I love it. And then I have this blouse. Ooh, I like this one. You guys know I work, right? So I'm have to buy work clothes. So this is like a little. Oh my god, it's nice. It's like a vest. Look at it. Tell me if I don't like this one. Tell me. It got blue, brown, a lot of things. You can always wear it with a dress, or you wear it with a black blouse, black pants, or black skirt, or anything nice. You wear blue things with it too. Don't bash me, guys. You realize them? I just realized. So me I put on these things. I don't wash it. Jesus Christ. In a COVID season. These are the baddest, these are the baddest, these are the baddest, these are the baddest. Whenever you can fit me, may attack. Uh-oh. Here, I can always pull the button then and wear it so with the splits or whatever style. How does my booty look in this? Whoa! Kind of big though, but I always style up. I do like Billie Eilish. She only wear big clothes. And the last but not least, this dress. You can't go over me? Hold on, let me take a cool breeze, cause wait, no, I can't even take it out of this light. I think of that shatter. Oh Lord, take me to the King. Don't have much to bring. Why? Anna. What? I'm gonna think you would take that shot. I look sharp, Papa. My lord. Guys, look at it. This dress is calling me to church. If you don't want to buy this from me, love, can. Why me granny foot? I'm making it all the time. That's the thing about thrifting. You can buy clothes a certain way. If I blouse, I could have turned this in there. See me, I'm a sewing trade and I can't turn this in a blouse. You buy clothes a certain way and you fix it to your liking. So that's the end of my video. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to come over my channel. And do the right thing. Turn on your post notification bell so that you can be notified when I drop a video. And I need your thoughts. Comment what you want to see me do next in my next video or other videos. Follow me on Instagram at _edisable_ and follow me on TikTok at the same thing. The links are in the description box below. My other 2 channels. Go support, subscribe to Jamila Jones channel, subscribe to Akopati's channel, subscribe to Monies_Artsfit's channel, and subscribe to Life with Ria's channel. Link in the description box below. So I'll see you all next time. Peace out.